Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up use Tesla NACS adapter with non-Tesla EV. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up and use the Tesla NACS adapter with your non-Tesla electric vehicle, follow these simple steps. Begin by locating your Tesla NACS adapter. Ensure your non-Tesla EV is compatible with the adapter. Park your vehicle near a Tesla charging station. Turn off your vehicle and ensure it's in park mode. Unplug any charging cable currently connected to your vehicle. Take the Tesla NACS adapter from its packaging. Connect the adapter securely to your vehicle's charging port. Make sure the adapter is properly aligned for a good connection. Now, take a Tesla charging cable and plug it into the other end of the adapter. At this point, the charging station should recognize the connection. You may need to initiate the charging session on the Tesla charging station. Follow the on-screen prompts to start the charging process. Monitor the charging status on your vehicle's display. Once charging is complete, safely disconnect the charging cable. Remove the Tesla NACS adapter from your vehicle's port. Store the adapter in a safe place for future use. You are now ready to charge your non-Tesla EV using a Tesla NACS adapter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.